Gravitational constant. Gravitational constant. We have to define gravitational constant. According to Newton's law of gravitation, the gravitational force of attraction, acting between two bodies of mass m1 and m2 separated by a distance r. The gravitational force of attraction acting between two bodies of masses m1 and m2 separated by a distance r is given by Fg equal g m1 m2 divided by r square. In diagram, these are two bodies which are separated by a distance r. R is the distance between the centers of two bodies, and m1 and m2 are the masses of the two bodies, and Fg is the gravitational force of attraction between them. Fg equal g m1 m2 divided by r square. This is equation 1. If m1 equal m2 equal 1 and r equal 1, then Fg equal g 1 into 1 divided by 1 square. Therefore g equal Fg, capital G equal Fg, g equal Fg. That means the value of gravitational constant is numerically equal to gravitational force of attraction. Hence, the gravitational constant, that means capital G, is numerically equal to the gravitational force of attraction, that is Fg acting between two bodies of unit mass each, and separated by unit distance. Hence, the gravitational constant is numerically equal to the gravitational force of attraction between the two bodies of unit mass each and separated by unit distance.